Hi all. I finished up this. Let me bring you in a little bit. This is what I have called my never-ending abandoned wall book. And I love corrugated cardboard, and there's a process video on how I made this book, and I will link to it down in the description box. By never ending, I mean that the way the pages fold, it actually, you could stand it up. I think they also call this kind of book a concertina book. It's really sort of a fan fold kind of thing, but it continues throughout, and I'll show you how it works. I'm just going to do a very quick flip of it. These are pockets, and what I have put in the pockets is more kind of ratty kind of papers to journal on. I thought it went real well with the book. Let's put that in the other way. I can put these back later. They're all just, some of it's coffee dyed, some of it's paper. It's a belly band, another pocket, and then it closes. But when it closes, you can continue to open it. And you get more walls, more pages, until you get back to the front, and then you start over again. So that's why I called it the never-ending book. I hope you enjoyed this flip, and I hope you'll take a look at the process video on how to make this journal. Let me read you a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity today. Change your perspective. The view is different from every window in your house. Treat creative problems in a similar way by looking at them from a variety of angles. I hope you enjoy your afternoon. Go make some art. Have fun. Bye-bye.